Hello everyone, my name is Sandeep and welcome to my YouTube channel. And today in this video, I will brief you guys about La Serene, the latest phase of apartment buildings in an island called Port de la Mer. Port de la Mer is located at Jumeirah 1. This is the first freehold project in Jumeirah 1, one of the most luxurious and prestigious location within Dubai. And if I talk about major landmarks, downtown Dubai Mall and Burj Khalifa is just 10 minutes away. The gorgeous city walk is around 5 minutes away. The international terminals 1, 2 and 3 is around 15 minutes away. The old Dubai like Bur Dubai, Karama and Dubai Frame is just 10 to 15 minutes away, and Dubai Marina is around 30 minutes away, and the Blue Water is around 35 minutes away, and the Al Maktoum International Airport is around 45 minutes away from Port de la Mer. The location is really good, and if you're someone who is working towards downtown Dubai, Business Bay, or towards the older Dubai, or towards Jebel Ali, all it's gonna take is around 30 minutes to reach from your home to work and vice versa. The location is really beautiful, and it is in near proximity. It's a walking distance from one of the most famous beaches in Dubai called La Mer Dubai. So you have access to the multiple restaurants and coffee shops and high-end outlets in the La Mer beach, as well as within the island you have a five-star hotel. You have a lot of luxurious retail options within the island as well, and the island is restricted only for the residents. That's the beauty of Port de la Mer. And if I talk about what kind of options do we have to purchase in La Serene, we have apartments from 1, 2, 3 and 4 bedrooms, as well as an opportunity to buy a 6-bedroom duplex as well. The price prospect, which is really important, I have it on my screen. 1 bedroom starts around 1.3 million and 2 bedroom starts around 1.85. The payment plan is really simple. You have to pay 50% during the construction, and you have to pay 50% at the time of handover, which is scheduled in second quarter of 2024. What is so special about Port de la Mer? I mean, if you want to see how this apartment gonna look like, I have already done a video of a 3-bedroom show apartment. You can see yourself what kind of construction quality it is and what kind of views 3-bedroom offers, like a gorgeous marina view as well as the stunning skyline of downtown Dubai. It offers both the views. Now let's talk about Port de la Mer. What kind of people, what kind of resident, what kind of investors this property gonna attract? Let me tell you one thing. I mean, a lot of people inquired that what kind of a property is ideal for a short-term rental. This is the property which is best for the short-term rental. If in case you want to buy a property and then you can have a contract with short-term rental providers like Airbnb and all, you have chances to make around 10-12% rental return on the property. It's that good as a location. If you're someone who is looking for a vacation home, nothing beats a view of a beach, a private marina, yacht club, or a downtown skyline. It's an ideal place to enjoy your vacations. So it's an ideal place for a vacation home as well. And if you're someone who is in Dubai, who loves to be in a bustling environment, who has a certain taste about properties, who wants to be in a cosmopolitan area with a pinch of a little coastal life, then Port de la Mer is an ideal for you guys as well. So all the 3 categories are covered. If you are an end user, you have the privilege of living in a private island with a sea and with a skyline view. If you are someone who is looking for a vacation home, just land in Dubai and be there at your house, and you will enjoy the best of Dubai. And if you're someone who's looking for a short term, want to make and maximize a profit, this is the place you should consider. If you need any further information about Port de la Mer, and if you want to if you're in Dubai basically and you want to see the location, I can take you there because we have show apartments ready for the first phase. In fact, you can scroll down in my channel and you can see that I have done a video of a 3-bedroom in Port de la Mer. It will give you an idea like what kind of construction quality it is. Miras is known for their luxury segment, and it is one of top-notch luxury that they are offering at a very reasonable, decent price with a very affordable payment plan. Any further questions, anything you want to know about what is happening in Dubai, why projects are getting sold so fast, what is the future of Dubai, when is the Expo 2021, and what is the importance of Expo, and what is there as an investor, or if you're someone who's looking to migrate to Dubai, what is there for you in future. You have my number on the screen. Give me a call. I would love to share and discuss all the aspects. I would love to answer all your concerns and questions. And last but not the least, do subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for the time, and if you're eager to buy a good property in Dubai, an apartment within the range of 1.3 to 2 million, just don't waste your time. This will be sold out in within a day as well. You have my number on the screen waiting for your call. Thank you so much.